Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am just coming to you really fast to do the redraw for my giveaway that I had at the beginning of June. um, Technology is not cooperating with me today, so if this is kind of weird or off, I apologize, but this was the best I could do. Everything I had recorded 3 times, and it's just I keep losing the footage, so I'm coming at you via my computer just to give you the names of the drawings that I did. As I said, I already tried to record this 3 times. Well, I didn't try. I thought I recorded it 3 times, but my chip was just corrupted. So I'm not going to be doing the drawing the way I did it before because it wouldn't be fair to the people that I already selected their names. So I just wanted to pop in really fast and share the names with you guys. It's Deborah Williams and Anne Milzarski. And those are the 2 names that I drew the first time. And so I'm going to contact them and let them know that there were winners. And that'll be that. This is going to be the last time that I do this drawing for this group or this particular prizes. If these 2 ladies do not get a hold of me, what I will do is I will add this pile of stuff to the next drawing that's coming up for when I reach 500, which hopefully will be this month. If everything goes well, I should reach 500 subscribers, and then I'll do another drawing. I will go through the whole thing again, so you guys need to make sure to check back and watch the videos and whatnot to see if you guys won. Otherwise, I'm doing all of this for nothing. I don't. And so I think if the people do not get a hold of me, instead of doing the redraws over and over, I think what I'll do is I'll just continue to snowball the prizes. And so for the next drawing and the next drawing and the next drawing, like that. That way, you know, you might wind up with like this huge package of stuff, huge box of whatever it is. So as of right now, I still have 2 individual prizes, which were won by Deborah Williams and Anne Milzarski. And if nothing comes of these 2, then we'll see what we'll go from there. So just a quick check-in. Thanks, guys. Bye.